Welcome to the Lithuanian food and beverage industry. The food sector produces a major share of the total revenue created by Lithuanian producers and exports their production to more than 130 countries all around the world. Auga Group is the biggest vertically integrated organic food producer in Europe. Auga operates in 38,000 hectares of organically certified land, specializing in crop, mushroom and vegetable growing, dairy farming, and poultry. Auga Group offers a wide range of high-quality organic consumer products which are exported to more than 30 countries. Ecofresa. The company is one of the major manufacturers of grain products in the Baltic states. It specializes in processing organic and conventional buckwheat, barley, pearl barley, wheat and pea groats, flakes and flour. Ecofresa exports more than 82% of its whole production. Eco Agro Farm is a certified ecological chicken farm where chickens are raised in rural areas of Lithuania. In an organic farm, a chicken has a more natural and considerably longer cycle of life. Chickens are given only ecological food, which is cultivated at the same farm, so none of the extraneous chemical substances are getting into the organisms of chickens. Dehydra is the biggest freeze-dried food business in the Baltic states and one of the biggest in Northern Europe. Due to the vertical integration of growing and processing, they are able to ensure the highest quality and complete traceability of their products. Dehydra can offer outstanding quality freeze-dried berries, packed in private label or their own branded packaging. Hruta is a centennial confectionery factory established in 1913. It combines contemporary science achievements with time-tasted confectionery traditions. Since the beginning, it has been a family business. The assortment of Hruta confectionery consists of more than 500 products for those who appreciate the diversity of tastes and textures. Using the innovative technologies of food preparation and being a certified, hygienic, and safe company, Mantinga can offer customers a wide assortment of bread, snacks, and frozen products. Company produces over 1,000 different brands of products, meeting various demands of customers, while developing 160 new products annually. Which are exported to 35 countries all over the world. Residues Mineral Water Company links the start of its operations to the year 1924. It's a modern international food tech company that combines R&D department, advanced production technologies, strict methods of quality control with 3 different water sources enable us to create exceptional products: natural mineral water and functional drinks with active ingredients. So, now you see why Lithuania is one of the leading organic products producers in Europe. Lithuania is a reliable partner for innovative and healthy products.